This is the garden as it appears. June the 4th, is it today? Of 2025. Mm. Yeah, I'm liking the cedar repellent or weed repellent. I'm just paving with it now, and it seems to well, it's certainly slowing down the weeds. If not repressing them entirely. This is the strawberry bed. It's doing really well. I think we even have some strawberries coming in, and we we had some kids over, and they painted these rocks so that the idea is that the rocks train the birds not to peck your strawberries. So we'll see how that works out. Here's some more of that lupin. I know some consider it a pest, but I like it as a pollinator, and it's pretty. Yeah. Some carrot transplants from last year. Here's potato tractors. Straw. Here's what I mean. I'm just paving out weeds. I'm trying to slow them down. I mean, I can't weed it fast enough. Okay, let's stay on target. So we've got some garlics here. Broccolis and stuff. I think peas in there. Looks like it's time to weed again. I should take a closer look. That's where the carrots and beets have been planted from seed. You are a weed. We have a fair chance. This is the tomato patch. Not as many tomatoes this year. We had so much wastage last year. Easier to get at. There's a path in the back. Got some bloom starting, which is great. Yeah, the back part of the garden is swamp this time of year. But I can actually get water to water the garden, which is great. All right. We also have some basils. Can I focus that? There you go. Planted in amongst the tomatoes, which are beginning to bloom. I'm using these metal cages, but I'm starting to not like having metal in my garden. These are some onions from last year that I'm letting escape because evidently they're survivors, so I want their seeds. And here's the patch where I transplanted a bunch that were growing in a cluster. Looks like they need help. We'll grow a bit of onions. Some of these are from last year as well. Some more of this paving idea with these wood chips. Oh, the asparagus. It's going to seed. And we've got some peppers. We've actually gotten some peppers over there already. See some bloops starting. Can I focus the bloops? There they are. Cayenne peppers. Been chopping them up into my eggs. Have been delicious. We've got some other peppers. Oh! Hello there, friend. Aww. Welcome to the garden. Hey, good little boy. Hey, good little boy. Hello there, little fella. Some more garlics. Thank you, Jordan. Seeds. That was my bean box last year, but right now it's my garlic box. The grapes I've not pruned at all. I kind of love how they're coming in. Again, you can see we're paving with this cedar wood chip, which seems to be good at weed suppression. This part of the garden we're kind of letting do its own thing this year. I've been weeding out obvious weeds. I see another buttercup over there. A couple of them. That's a blueberry. Speaking of metal in the garden. Yeah, looks like a lot of borage. Some dill perhaps is coming in. I think you might be something I take out, but I'll give you a chance to declare yourself. Clover, yep. The fern that just keeps growing. There you go, that's the garden this year.